What's up, guys? Your work is and I'm here with
Okay, Zanu.
yes, sir, and we're back, guys. Tachumbonza kasungi
Ihulumende.
Now we're reacting to Saint Flow here.
Nigga now what Our Saint Flow this year has Kumira.
He's not.
Saint Flow is coming for the takeover this year.
I think
From
for the past few months, I don't go Kandaga every month.
But it's bangers, bro. I want my banger, even his collabs, my feature.
I'm a feature.
I feel like the same flow this year is a personal favorite and the people's favorite, to be honest.
This year,
one of the ones I'm a song afraid same flow.
Yeah.
It's well deserved, to be honest.
And I like the album Chibomire to go Kandre Masingo.
Yeah, I don't build that hype. No,
seriously, because the album sometimes is tricky.
Yeah.
You take an old piece of what you can kind of album, they know now good. Hey, or so
Album.
I feel like single.
Maintain.
Yeah,
But this might be a single album. You never know.
Yeah, you never know. But much as Budita, obviously, because I know one's Budita late. But yeah, Saint Flow here, official music video. So let's get straight into the video. I hope you like it and subscribe to my boys, you know. Not the vibes. Yes, sir. Let's go.
No limits. Last nation.
Noema, zvinorema kana masvida tinoedza tsoreka pandinodzoka ndinofema ndodemba varomba vachida gona rinoyera ndoenda sadomba shure kwegwenzi rinofema chingoti hera kune mivanohera pari zvanenge ndoroyiwa fisikali vandikoniwa hera funza kune vemuarea geva mwana wepaseriya chingakukura kweke.
Guys,
Yeah.
Saint.
That's how the world deserved, guys. Because
I want this
It
was a catchy guy.
that first part, Pasat Papina beat, that was beautiful.
That was beautiful.
Voice Yaganyason escalated. Beat it by nice level. Voice it perfect level.
Perfect, you know.
I know yet so he's so drawing you in.
Yeah.
Then beating over.
Don't tell him the guy.
Yeah,
Saint Flow.
And the video is crazy.
It's crazy, yeah.
The father shot
Shout out to the director.
Your phone.
Your phone, yeah. It's crazy.
funza kune vemuarea geva mwana wepaseriya chingakukura kwekeria mere gwatsu seyaneriya achingopindira vatomusekiwa mere gwatsu senge methias achingomuka achiti ahetuka era kune mikumatenga atove nyika endasenga chatove chiva chavapfeka vane chigutswa chavasenga anotsamwira achoziya anokaka nemafenzika anoreva nemazita anodatisa timachingotihera kune mivanohera pari zvanenge ndoroyiwa fisikali vandikoniwa hera
Omboshilot is song in quality.
Just the voice, bro.
The voice, the beat, flow.
Voice again is very, very clear.
Video actual foot. Shout out to the producer, guys.
The lyrics have what's he trying to portray?
Hera. First thing, this one was a Hera Chimaj.
Gee.
Just a comment section.
But I feel like he's trying to portray something deep.
Deep, yeah.
Because my lyrics and runes is, I feel like even the video itself, it's something. I don't know. I don't know if I should say spiritual, but it looks like it's something deep. Deep
thing.
Deep meaning to it.
Yeah. Because Zuinda any video foot. But just comment down below. Zuri Utira. Yeah. Help us, guys.
ishe zvanenge ndoroyiwa gungwa kukupa ndakoniwa ndakafenzwa nachokoniwa ndatobva gomo remori yandichiti bhema usagwara nemafomula vanoda ndive ndigomuka kona ndichinge ndotomuka era kune mikumatenga chatove nyika yandasenga chatove chiva chavapfeka vane chigutswa chavasenga anotsamwira achaziya anokaka nemafenzi
Anotsamwa chiziya
azatova chiyo yavatopfeka.
So I thought it's something like spiritual thing, deep.
I'm trying to catch the lyrics, but it's ruined if you don't understand
the meaning of it.
Yeah. I think that's where we're getting a bit lost. But the
Shona. But it's really like mufunge. Because the tikazotara zvatukufunga muzoti explain zviri wrong, so please help us. Please.
Zika vanoreva nemazita anodatisa timashita era kune mivanoera pari zvanenge ndoroyiwa physically vandikoniwa era
something about wakundiroya physically
Vandikoniwa.
So is it something like I'm just taking a guess here, guys. Is it something like okay, like physically I'm doing well for myself?
I'm
getting popular, masonguro and kupisa. So I matadza undimisa ikoko. Mauda undiroya manje.
Mweya madzinza yakutera.
Mauda undikandira zvinhu.
Mauda
undikandira zvinhu. Saka I don't. That's what those vanangu.
Yeah. So yeah. That's what
I don't know, but I don't know what hera kunewesa
vanohera.
Yeah. So I don't know what I was what
yeah.
But yeah.
But something like that. Yeah. The life yako maybe.
But this is
doesn't life kuti vedzinza vakaona kuti life yako iri kuendeka vanongoti rasta
hautadza kuumisa physical hautadza kukanganisa
so
to push in the wrong path. Saka what I kutsvagire zvinogadzirisa
zungumukama kusina kungopisa hembe murodhi.
But the song is catchy. Even if you don't know the meaning, you could still bob to the song.
Yeah, it's catchy.
No one knows same from Mombe.
Same flow is not stopping. It's not stopping because I feel like I don't go to every month it's dropping maybe 2 songs because for the past few months he's dropping my bangers.
Yeah, and our piece.
Since
people need to catch a wake up.
Yeah. Because back in the days people were sleeping on Central. Gundamwinda. Yeah, but now this is mauchangamuka mausoti saying Mombe. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for the reaction video, guys. Yeah, comment down below what's the meaning, guys. What's it up? Vanosiya Shona because deep Shona needs kubata ka deep Shona language yedu. So yeah, help us, guys. I hope you like it and subscribe. Comment down below what you think and subscribe to my voice channel.
Yes sir.
Peace out.